How to set Spotify as a ringtone. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'm going to show you the ways to set Spotify as a ringtone. So to set up Spotify as a ringtone on your Android or an iOS device, it's a very simple process. As far as I know, setting up Spotify as a ringtone, you'll only be able to do it when you have a premium account. But then let's give it a try if you don't have a premium account. Just go ahead and open up or log in into your Spotify account. So now let me remind you that if you have a premium account or if you don't have a premium account, either way the procedure is going to remain the same. So then you just have to go ahead and select the particular music that you wish to set as a ringtone. Let me go with this one, and when I open up the song, then tap the three dot icon next to it, and here you should be able to find this option as set it as a ringtone. Since I don't have a premium account or that I don't have a subscription, so unable to see this following options. So here you should just go ahead and locate it and set as ringtone, and you should be able to do that. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.